Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Atrey if you don't know me, and I make videos related to makeup, skincare, fashion. Not fashion that much, but yes, beauty, reviews, etc. So if this is something interests you, make sure to subscribe to my channel. And now without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I have a bunch of makeup products which I'm going to show you, which is expensive, which is high end. Most of these products are high end, and a few products which are expensive specifically in India, and these products worth every penny of yours. And if you are getting these products, don't worry, because these products are very quality products. So yeah, if you guys want to know which all I am talking about, let's get started. If you're wondering about this particular makeup look, this is up on my Instagram. Actually, this is a very fun makeup. This is inspired by Britney Spears, her song Oops, I Did It Again. So yeah, that's what my makeup looks like, and I think it's pretty good. What do you guys think? Let me know. The very first product which I think worth your every penny is the Bobbi Brown Skin Long Wear Weightless Foundation with SPF 15. Now I have also done a review on this one. I don't know if it's up or not, but this is in the shade Honey. And this foundation, like I was wearing this foundation in one of my videos, and this foundation is so long lasting, and it does not even crease, does not even make your skin oily, and does not even make you sweat that much. Or in hotter countries, you must give this a try because this is really good. And it is a mini size. I paid approx 2000 rupees on a very small foundation. Let me just show you the actual packaging looks like. It's really tiny, but it comes with a pump, so yay for that. This product retails for somewhere around 4400. So yeah, if you can't buy full size, you can buy the small size. Now the next is this by Elf Cosmetics. This is their HD powder. And guys, I haven't used something so fine, supremely milled powder ever, like translucent powder I'm talking about. This is really good. It does not give that much of flashback. And why I have included this in my high-end list, because this retails for 1200 rupees in India. I mean, 1200 rupees ka hai ye, guys. So that's why I just counted it as high end, because it's expensive, dude. It's expensive. This is my second recommendation. It is really finely milled. I mean, can you see? Amazing to set under your eyes because it does not have extra coverage, so you can definitely use it in your everyday. Next product is again by Elf only. This is their Poreless Putty Primer, and I have used it quite a bit. You can see again why I have included this, because it retails for 1200 rupees, but the texture of this primer is something else. I haven't used anything like this. Makes my face, you know, supremely filtered, as if I am using some filter, but yeah, I am not. So I really love this. I want to talk a lot, so I have done reviews on each of the product. If you want to see detailed review, you can definitely click on that particular video and see it for yourself. Okay, moving forward, I have one more thing, which is MAC Strobe Cream. Now I know this is the freebie, but once I am over this, I am going to buy a product. And yeah, you can get a small product also. So yeah, आप पे depend करता है. So definitely I love MAC Strobing Cream. Now I really get the hype of it. Now I have seen many dupes for it, but something which is this fine I haven't find. I mean, closest dupe मुझे ज़रूर मिला है, but ऐसा exactly कुछ नहीं मिला. I mean, it does not have a lot of chunky particles, lot of shimmer particles, but still it is so good. Like nothing compares or comes even close to this product. So this was the next one. Now moving forward, let's see what else I have in my kitty. So I can see I have one eyeshadow palette. This is the Ruby Obsession palette by Huda Beauty. Now this is the color scheme of this palette. If you can see, I just love the shimmers. They are so good, so creamy, so pigmented, and the mattes are also so very pigmented. I mean, this is really good. I mean, really nice product. So if you are someone who wants to get that one palette, you can get any palette from Huda Beauty. Now I got the Ruby Obsessions one because I really like the theme of it and I really didn't want to get the bigger palette, so that's why I got this one. Moving forward, what do we have? I can see a bronzer. So next is this butter bronzer by Physicians Formula. Now there was a time when I was using this non-stop. I love how it smells. Now, although it does not have a lot of color to it, but it is so supremely finely milled. I mean, I can see it feels like butter. It feels as if I am applying butter on my face, and this has a very natural bronzing effect going on, which just gives your skin that sun-kissed glow. So I really recommend this one. Going ahead, we have one highlighter, and this highlighter is by Becca Cosmetics. Now, why Becca Cosmetics? I have the mini one. Why Becca Cosmetics? Because you just see the effect of this highlighter. That's what it looks like. It is so supremely finely milled, doesn't look over the top, and you can definitely use this inside your inner corners of your eyes. Use it as highlighter. Amazing. Does not give you that powdery feel. It's not even dry. It is such a beautiful formula. Doesn't feel dry at all, not chunky, nothing. So bright to bees, definitely go for this particular highlight. If you are getting a mini one, it is not going to get over. I mean, मुझे इसको यूज करते हुए काफी टाइम हो गया है, but ये अभी भी चल रहा है. ये इसकी खासियत है. Next up, I have Primer Water by Smashbox. Yes, I don't have the bigger bottle because I am going to buy it pretty soon. Now, this primer water is so hydrating on your face, and when you spray it, it just makes your face look so good, so refreshing, as if you have applied, something on the top of your makeup, which gives your makeup a very flawless and glowy finish. So I definitely recommend you getting this. Retails for 990 rupees. It's not too expensive, so you can definitely give a thing forward towards lipstick. Now I have a lot of lipsticks, but before that I have a lip and cheek tint. Now I know this is by Body Shop. This is their lip and cheek tint, and this is in the shade Pink Hibiscus. Just look at the swatch. I'm just going to swatch it and tell me you don't like it or you don't need it. No, not need it, but just tell me you don't like it. This is how Pink Hibiscus looks like. I mean, this is like water. And someone who is having lots of pimple and pimple prone skin, and if you are very scared to use tints, girls or guys, use this one. This is not going to give your cheek any type of pigmentation or any breakout. I can vouch for this because it is so liquidy. It does not break you out. So definitely check this out. Although it is not very expensive, it's somewhere around 800-900, but I felt that Body Shop is little bit higher in price, so that's why I included this in this particular video. The product, next one is a product which is not something which I can say as makeup necessity, but next is the Inglow Duraline. Now all of us have some type of makeup, whether it is lipstick or eyeliner or gel eyeliner, so everything gets dried up. Now this liquid is going to help you in reviving all of your makeups. Use this in your lipsticks which are dried up, especially in the for the Smashbox lipsticks and mascaras, eyeliner. So this is definitely a very versatile product. Must have retails for 1500 or so, but you can get this on discount. So this is the next product. So long. Now I have a couple of lip items. I'm just going to show you one by one. Next is this Too Faced lip injection, and this is how it looks like. Now I feel this is amazing. I mean, this is seriously this is amazing. And it smells so good. It smells like strawberries. So if you are someone who likes glosses, plumping glosses, you can definitely give this one a try. This will plump your lips for quite some time, and your lips will feel very hydrated, very moisturized. So Now in the lip gloss category only, I have this by Kiko Milano. This is the 3D Hydro Gloss. Now this is in the shade Rosewood, and again an amazing quality gloss. I mean an amazing gloss. So if you are a gloss lover, you like something hydrating on your lips, go for this one. This is not going to let you down, and this I think retails for around 800-900 rupees. So yeah, you can definitely, you know, buy this if you are looking for a gloss. I have a few lipsticks from Ofra Cosmetics, and that's how the lipsticks look like. Now why did I choose Ofra Cosmetics? This is the mini set, okay? You get 4 lipsticks for 1800 or so. I have swatched separately, so you can definitely go and check the review. Now my favorite shade is Milan from this, and guys I have been using this. ये बहुत पुराना हो गया है, but अभी भी ना ये dry नहीं हुआ है completely. So अभी भी मैं इसको use कर सकती हूँ. So ये है ये color Milan. It is so good. तो मैं यही बोल रही थी, जैसे ये थोड़ा सा अभी dry हो रहा है. So I can use Duraline in this and then make this work. I am going to make a video pretty soon, so you can definitely check that out. But all these 4 shades are super gorgeous. These are especially for the people who are getting married, and yeah, definitely you are going to love these, and they are so long lasting. Also very good formula, something which will make your lips dry. No, it will make your lips very hydrated, and at the same time giving you a matte effect. And the last product of this particular video is this liquid lipstick by MAC Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Carnivorous, and I think you guys know how much I love this. And abhi tak guys isko itna time ho gaya hai and it is still not dried. So can you see? That's why I love MAC Cosmetics liquid lipsticks. That's how the shade is. Someone who is looking for a deep dark shade, definitely check out this. And the formula on this is also very good. Doesn't make your lips chapped or whatsoever. Yes, it is a little bit expensive, 2200 I think, but this is definitely worth your money. So guys, with this I end this video, and I hope you guys will like what I shared with you all. Let me know which was your favorite product. If you have used them, I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care.